Now the given integration is here e raised to tan inverse x into 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now look at here. There is term over here tan inverse x, as well as you can see 1 plus x square somewhere here. Okay. So in your mind you must be thinking, if I substitute u equals to tan inverse x, and we will be getting some derivative of 1 plus x square somewhere. Okay, then let's go for this. Okay, now if I substitute u equals to, let's see, tan inverse x, then my du is equals to what? Differential of tan inverse x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Therefore, my du is what? dx upon 1 plus x square. I am getting du. This is by u. Okay. What about 1 plus x square? Okay. This implies I can say over here tan of u equals to x, or you can say multiplying tan inverse x, tan inverse on both sides. You can say here u equals to tan inverse x implies tan u equals to x. From here to here, how come? You can send like this, or you can say multiply tan on both sides. Tan into u is tan u, tan inverse into tan gets cancelled. Over here x. Okay, we have x as well as what is x square. X square is what? Tan square e become x square. Okay, we have everything. Now let's substitute over here. Is equals to here e raised to u 1 plus what is x? X is what? Tan u plus tan square u into, okay, what is dx by 1 plus x square become a du. It's my du. Okay, this is my du. Okay, we have identity of here 1 plus tan square x equals to tan square u is equals to sec square u. Okay, now this is what I can write like this, is e raised to x. Here 1 plus tan square is what? I write sec square u plus tan u and du. Okay, now differentiation of tan is what? Sec square. Okay, now we have this formula. Remember, integral e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx. Integration of this is same as e raised to x into f of x plus c, meaning I have e raised to x into some function. Okay, here some function plus that function's derivative. If you are getting, then this integral is become e raised to x into that particular function. Okay, therefore differentiation of this, now here this is my fx, and now this is what? F dash x. Okay, differentiation of tan is what? Sec square. Okay, therefore this integral is equals to e raised to x into fx. What is fx? Fx, I have tan of u. What is this? Here we have e raised to u. Okay, here e raised to u, here also e raised to u, tan u plus c. Okay, what is u? You come back. Okay, u is what? Tan inverse x. Okay, here e raised to tan inverse x into tan of, okay, tan of, here u is what? U is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus c. We can keep tan and tan inverse gets cancelled. Here what we have is e raised to tan inverse x into, here we have x into tan inverse x plus c. Okay, this is the required answer. Here we are effectively using this formula. Okay.